Education is a powerful tool that we all should use. It gives us power to respect and to tolerance. It gives us wisdom to choose which one is good or evil in this 21st century. It gives us power to respect and to tolerance. It gives us power to love without agenda. So education is very much important tool to succeed in this world or maybe after this world. So education is one area that everybody must have the interest on it because government want to improve education to upgrade their citizens. Companies need to improve education to improve quality of future employees and their success. Private individuals, because everybody wants to make sure that their kid gets good education. So we need to create linkages across many other sectors that we have much to gain. Just as perspective, financial crisis. We heard about the great losses incurred by the countries over the last couple of years. And these losses were incurred just as the lack of or the poor quality of the education. $100 billion incurred as loss by these countries, just the lack of education for the girl. $100 billion is a worthwhile amount, is a big amount. We need to rethink. So if we use this money on sustainable culture of dependency, we can save to lot of markups and lot of interest to pay to the World Bank or IMF or something like this. So we're talking about education, going to the unemployment. Unemployment is one of the most important challenge in our regime. We have, maybe you have statistics, we have to create 50 million jobs for next 10 years, at 5 million jobs for a year, just to prevent rise unemployment in our region, to prevent huge demographic challenge that have tremendous application come across different spectrum, political and vital, and we have tremendous application and tremendous opportunity to do right things to prepare our young people to enter in the job market. Because we have millions of young people educated, having graduate, having degrees, but cannot grasp a job. I speak to many friends in the job market, in the private sector, that you have vacancies. And you know, it's very, very difficult. It's very hard to find right person having right qualification. So social engagement plays a role of this because we gain two things, skills and network. And you know, the one more thing problem that's facing in our regime is that our education system is not relevant to the job market. Because we have millions of young people having degrees, graduate, but cannot get a job. This is the reason. And you know, this is a great gap between what the market needs and what the education systems are producing. So social engagement plays a role to bridge this gap to some extent. For example, if you start a campaign, you want to convince some people, you need administrative skill, managerial skill, persuasion. You need to do budgeting to demonstrate your leadership, to make a difference, to run an idea. So these are the kind of skills that give you an edge to enter the job market. And these skills can help you to succeed in the job market. And the networking. Networking is also very much important. You know, networking means when you expose yourself, when you start a campaign, you're exposing yourself to a lot of people. That gives you a lot of ideas, lot of contacts come on your way. And you can make it use in future of these contacts. And which will definitely help you, give you an edge in the job market. And the financial crisis that we heard about, the great losses and something like this. So this is actually, we can take right decision to making our economy more better and more strong. So the government not make the change, because government is doing at their optimum level. We have to take these steps, because without taking our environment, when we have to take responsibility, the government never do something to improve the society for the better. So we need to shift mentality and understanding, because we have roles to play, and definitely we have to play. Without because we are not playing these roles, we cannot succeed in this world. So how we can do by our own to improve the society for the better? It's obviously none of us can hold to fix everything, but each of us can do something. Okay, helping others makes you happier and healthier. This is a natural phenomenon. Nobody has actually the right to say that if you help someone, you will definitely improve your lot of skills. So when you involve yourself in the society for improving the society for the better, you start teach, because if you're starting to teach to the next door, will actually give an edge and help the other, or maybe spark the other to become the shine person. And we can change this world. But how we can change? First we change ourselves and start it from our home, to change our kids, our parents, sister and brothers, and then moves to the street, and then moves to the city, and then moves to the whole country, and after that we can change the world. So the education plays a very much important role in this phenomenal world. And जो कौमें अपने माजी से कट जाती है, जो कौमें अपनी माजी को भूल जाती है, वो सफ़ा हस्ती से मिट जाती है, क्योंकि इसकी रवायात व वरासत, तहज़ीब व सकाफत और इल्मी लताफत माजी के सीनों में महफूज होती है। और किसी भी जिंदा कौम के लिए अपने माजी से इनहराफ अपने मुस्तक़बिल को दाव पर लगाने के मुताबिक होता है। अपने तशख़्ख़ुस और इम्तियाज़ की बका के लिए अपने मुस्तक़बिल, अपने माजी को महफूज रखना ज़रूरी होता है, और इसे तलीम के मैदान में आगे बढ़कर बचाया जा सकता है। अपने तशख़्ख़ुस और इम्तियाज़ की बका के लिए अपने तलीम को महफूज रखना भी बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है। लेकिन चंद पढ़े लिखे लोगों की गैर तहज़ीबी और बदतमीज़ी और बदअख़लाक़ी तलीम की अहमियत और अफादियत को मजरूह नहीं कर सकती, और ना ही तलीम को कसूरवार ठहराया जा सकता है। बिल्कुल इसी तरह कि नकाब और हिजाब हर दो चीज़ को हर शर्फ वतन से महफूज रखती है, लेकिन चंद ख़वातीन मस्तूर होने के बावजूद मुनकरात का सबब बनती हैं, तो इससे नकाब और हिजाब की अहमियत कम नहीं होती, और ना ही इसकी हिफाजत और शफाफियत में कमी वाक़ होती है। तलीम तो मीनार नूर है, जिसकी रोशनी में अच्छे और बुरे में तमीज़ होती है, सही और गलत में फ़र्क वाक़ होता है। तो तलीम के मैदान में ख़वातीन और मर्द में तमीज़ करना भी कोई अक्लमंदी की बात नहीं है। ख्वानदगी में और नाख्वानदगी में इजाफे के एक सबब ख़वातीन का अनपढ़ होना भी है। माँ की गोद बच्चे की पहली तलीम गाह होती है, मदरसा होता है, और इस मदरसे में अदम तवज्जो की वजह से बच्चे के मुस्तक़बिल पर मनफी असरात मुतअल्लिक़ हो सकते हैं। इसलिए ख़वातीन का मैदान तलीम में आना कोई ऐब की बात नहीं, और ना ही किसी किस्म की तनकीद किसी लोगों की तरफ से हो सकती है, क्योंकि एजुकेशन इज़ अ पावरफुल टूल दैट वी ऑल शुड यूज़. इट गिव अस पावर टू रिस्पेक्ट एंड द टॉलरेंस. इट गिव अस पावर टू चूज which one is good or evil in this 21st century. I focus education especially for those who are credibly lack of education. And education is a great equalizer in social, economic and religious barriers. And if education is provided equally in this world, we have the world where all cultures will be disobeyed. Thank you very much.